Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Rocio Erazo. Your parents, I want you to know my house. Since 2 months I got why not communicate. I press my run the kitchen. I run I television. This is my house, your parents, my home, you had been to you lucky. My else want to tell you what I do in my daily activities. I dwell alone with my family, then I do in the afternoon my go to the offices to do the according activities. I gain they sing my routine home where my scar they sing as my family. Their parents my day to find this city in very beautiful. There are beautiful tourist finds they buy one in family. Their food is delicious, the weather is good to go swimming since it is warm. Go to their parents I will be on the future soon. I love you very much. Thank you.